This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. In normally we see the top view, front view or other view, but in this case we are seeing the isometric view and all the dimensions are located in the isometric view. So we listed from one side and after that I will build further. In this sketch, a 3D model, we see there is a symmetry along this line, this plane or this line. So if we draw half portion of the sketch, then we can mirror the total sketch. So first of all, I will draw from the right plane. In the right plane, I will draw this rectangle, this quite rectangular shape. So in here we can see the horizontal length is 70 unit and here the vertical length is 13 unit and this vertical length is 32 unit and this upper horizontal length is 48 unit. Then we'll connect these two line, then we'll extrude boss it, and for extrude bossing it, we'll extrude boss it to 22 unit. So now select the right plane, now sketch, now select line and draw a horizontal line of 70 unit. After that, draw a vertical line of 13 unit. I am pressing OK because I want to dimension it here. Now you can see this clearly, this point. Okay. Now here we have vertical distance of 32 unit, then a horizontal distance of 48 unit. Now we'll connect these two points. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 22 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. After that, I will draw this big rectangular shape. You can see this. We have a big rectangular shape here. Okay, and this big rectangular shape has a horizontal distance of 70 unit and a vertical distance of 75 unit. So I'm going to draw this now. So I'm selecting this inner face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. I'm clicking again normal to it so that we can match our shape with this one. Now select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle here and draw a corner rectangle of 75 unit vertical distance and 70 unit horizontal distance. Now isometric it for a better view. Now press OK, go to features and now extrude boss. Here you can see we have a extrude boss of 13 unit. So after going extrude boss and dimension it to 13 unit. Now press OK. Now in here we will draw this triangular shape. For drawing this triangular shape, I will use the rib option. For that, I will in the back plane, I will draw this inclined line. Then I will rib it to 13 unit. Okay. So I am selecting the back face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line and join these two lines. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now select the rib option and now select this one and here we will give the dimension 13 unit. Now press OK. Now we can see our rib has been completely done. Now in the next part I will draw this portion. You can see here we have a horizontal line of 13 unit and here we can see we have a horizontal line of a vertical line of 13 unit here. If we connect these 2 points here, we'll get this inclined face line. Then I will draw 2 lines like here to close the shape. Then I will extrude boss it to this side. I will extrude boss it to 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 because we'll mirror the other this half portion of the face. Okay, so I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Again normal to it. Okay, now it is quite similar to this side. Now as we have previously drawn, this line is already 13 unit because our rib option extrude boss was 13 unit, and here we can see this vertical line is also 13 unit because from when we draw the first sketch, it vertical distance was 13 unit, so we don't need to draw 13 unit line separately. So I'm selecting a line and pointing this to corner. Now you can see this line is automatically 13 unit. Then join this line and join this line, and you can see the last one also 13 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 32 divided by 2 unit because we will mirror the other part. Now press OK. You can see our shape is quite done, so it's time to mirror. So for mirroring, I will select the mirror option. You can make a reference plane here if you want. So I'm doing that. I'm selecting this face. Now select a plane, dimension it to here to 0 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to mirror, and for mirror face or plane, select this face and features to be mirror. For features to be mirror, select the boss extrude 1, boss extrude 2, rib 1, and boss extrude 3, and also select the geometric pattern option. Now select OK. Now hide this plane. Now you can see we have drawn our shape fully. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.